All right, so right here I have these impact screwdriver bit set, and these things are actually really awesome. I've been meaning to get a set of these for a while now because I needed certain sizes, and these are great. So they come in a nice case, and you get the SAE standards, and you also get the metric as well. So as you open this up, the metric is going to be in yellow, and then your standard is going to be in red. And then on top of them coming in a nice case, they also come in these individually labeled sets. You can just pop these right out. It is labeled on here too. And then you also get a label as well on here. And it's just nice that they're yellow and red. So this is my impact gun, DeWalt. Goes in perfect. And it just gives me a nice bit. So now I have a size 8 on here. You can also get these a little bit longer if you want. These are a good size for me, and I actually like how it is yellow. It goes with the DeWalt pretty good. Then you can just take it out. You can also pair these up with an extension too if you do need them to be a little bit longer. Overall, they're amazing. Now I'm gonna show you the magnetic feature in here. So let's just grab the 3/16. So as you can see right here, I'm actually holding 2 different screws on here. So this does have that magnetic capability, but these are great. I highly recommend these. It's a nice kit, really small, slim. You can fit this in your toolbox very easily without having an issue. Seals up really nice. Everything's labeled, and it's just nice and slim. Very useful, handy tool. I highly recommend this. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.